Welcome all of you to our online class. It is one of the video lessons of English subject for the ninth class students. In this online class is presented entirely in English language. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss about some of the activities of our first chapter, The Race, was written by Nisha Punjabi. First of all, once again, we have to make a clear idea about the lesson. So, once again, I repeat the lesson. We know the story well. The main character of the story is Tarun, who was not a bright in study. At the same time, he was a highly talented athlete. He had a dream to become the fastest runner in the world, but his parents did not like his running. When he failed in his terminal examination, his father scolded him and his friends too made fun of him. So he wanted to wipe out that day from his memory. So he started to run and ran all around the park about an hour. When he became tired, he sat on the bench in the park. Then he met Ramnarayan, who won an Olympic medal in the 400 meter in the 1960s. Ramnarayan was impressed on the running of Tarun. Then he offered Tarun an offer that he would train Tarun. For that, Ramnarayan put forward one condition. That condition is that if Tarun participated and won in the race competition on Children's Day at Nehru Park, Ramnarayan would train Tarun. Tarun practiced for that well and he wanted everything to be perfect. He told everything to his mother because he wanted to get a support from anyone. So he told everything to his mother. The day reached. Tarun went to Nehru Park to participate in the race. There were about 50 participants waiting for the race. Ramnarayan came to him and he blessed Tarun. But he feared the crowd because it is the first time he was going to participate in a race. Then he saw his mother sitting among the viewers. He became confident and started to run. He was running at the first position. Unfortunately, there was a shallow path on the track. He fell on the track. Some of the students overtook him. Without wasting time, he got up to run and overtook some of the children. Then again, he fell. His mother said him to get up and run. He started to run again, but he fell on the track once again. He fell on the track for the third time. Then Ramnarayan screamed to him to run, but he could not win in the race. The winner was Pavan, and the crowd applauded for him. But the crowd praised the Tarun for his determination. Ramnarayan was impressed on Tarun's determination and he agreed to train Tarun. His mother became happy and she hugged him. It is the summary of our first lesson. Tarun was not a bright student, but he was a talent athlete. Then he participated in a race, but he failed. But the people, the crowd, encouraged him and praised for him for his determination. This is a short summary of our lesson. So go through the lesson once again. Now we are moving to do the activities of this chapter. So without knowing the lesson, it is very difficult to do the work. Okay. I hope that you have a clear idea about the lesson, the race. Okay. We move to our first activity. Turn to page number 13. There is a work for us. Let's revisit and reflect. In these kinds of activities, we have to make a short paragraph for each question. So, look into your first question. I am going to read the first question. You can see in the page number 13. Okay, I am going to read the first question. The story, the race gives us valuable lesson about life. Do you agree? Give reason. There is a statement for us. It is a question. Do you agree or not? It is one of the questions for us. So the statement is that the story, the race gives us valuable lessons about life. Mean the story, the race is a useful lesson in our life. What is your opinion? You can say your opinion. Okay, you can guess. I will give you 10 seconds to guess your opinion. And after that, we will discuss the question clearly. Okay, just guess for the answer. Okay, we can say truly yes, because the story gives us some new thoughts. In in a competition, most of the time we appreciate only the winners. We never try to see the efforts of each participant. But this story teaches us to consider their efforts too. There is also another lesson for us. We usually consider the ability of a child through their academic score. But everyone have different abilities in various things. It may be in arts, maybe in sports or music, etc. Some kinds of other activities. The story also speaks about value of motivation and support. If there is no one to support Tarun, he could not reach any position. So the story teaches us many lessons. So we can say the story gives us some of the valuable lesson about life. We made a discussion here. It is an opinion of mine. You have another opinion. So different people have different opinions about this topic. For the purpose of extra reading, I post a simple note on here. You can see it in your screen. Just go through it and strengthen your knowledge and make a clear idea about the answer of the first lesson. I hope it is very useful to you. Okay, just go through the note. Okay, we move to the next question. Does the support of the family and friends play an important role in one's success? Justify your answer with reference to the story. There is another question to write your opinion. Okay, what is the question? The question is that what are the benefits of getting support from the family and friends? Is there any benefits for one's success? You can tell, you can guess for a while. Okay, just guess the answer, and after that we will discuss the answer clearly. Okay, just guess the answer in yourself. Okay, I will give you 10 seconds. Yes, we are living in a society. We are living in a society. The support of the family and the friends makes us to achieve success. We have to face a lot of problems. But if there is anyone to support us, it will help us to reduce our burdens. Even someone listen to our problems will help us to lead our life very happily. Family, friends, teachers are the main motivators of a child. Their advice, opinion, suggestion will help anyone to achieve success. So, the support from the family and friends play an important role in one's success. Okay, it is one of the discussion we have made. So, I post a note on the screen for more reference. Go through it and make a clear idea. Okay, you can read and you can get a more idea from that note. Just read it carefully. Okay, we move to third question. What is the question? Tarun received a louder applause than the winner though he lost the race. If you were in the stands watching the race, would you applaud him? Substantiate. It is another question for writing our opinion. So the question is that Tarun finished the race as a loser. There are a lot of people came there to watch the race. Imagine that you are one of the viewers among the crowd. Do you congratulate him? We know that Tarun is one of the failures. So are you ready to congratulate the failure? Write in your opinion. Okay, just guess for a while. After that, we will discuss the answer. Okay, we know that. Commonly, we never applaud for the loser. We usually appreciate the winners. The reason that everyone loves the record breaker. So that no one ready to appreciate the loser. It is not fair. We know that it is not a fair. We have to see the effort which the participant took. In every participant took to participate some kinds of these events. In the race on Children's Day, Tarun's race, all the viewers applauded him because they could see the determination of Tarun. Each of the time he fell on the track, he was not ready to give up, but he got up and ran to reach in the first position. So all the viewers appreciated him for that. Here we have to see one thing too. The crowd didn't applaud for the other losers. We have to consider, we have to see that also because they only applauded for the Tarun. What about the other losers? There were 50 participants. The crowd only clapped for the Pawan and Tarun. Pawan is the winner, Tarun is one of the losers, but the crowd saw his determination. But they did not clap for the other 48 participants. It is not good. They had to see the efforts and the presence of the other participants too. So, if we were in the stands watching the race, we would applaud for the Tarun. And also, we have to appreciate, praise the other losers because they participate in the race. We have to see their efforts too. So, we will appreciate the 48 participants also. For the further reading, I post a note on our screen. Just go through it. Okay, we move to next activity. Turn to page number 14. Activity 1. You can see a picture of Tarun there. Let's look the question. What is the question? Read the story, the race, and write a few words which best describe Tarun. Here, we have to find out some of the words which describe the Tarun. And there is a picture in that same page. You can see there are some cloud around Tarun. We have to fill up that blank places. One of the points was given there. What is that? Yes, mediocre. You can read mediocre. The word mediocre is describing Tarun. We have to find out more words from our chapter. We know that in our story, there is a lot of incidents. We can find out many words to describe Tarun there. We know the Tarun. He was a talent athlete. He had a dream, a goal to become the first runner in the world. He faced many problems to achieve his dream, but he was not ready to give up because we can say he had positive thoughts. when the Ram Narayan put forward a condition, he worked hard. We could see his hard work there. He participated in the race, but he failed. We know that. Each of the time he fell on the track, he was not ready to give up. Here we can see his determination. Now we got a short summary of our lesson. Then we got some of the words which best describe the Tarun. Firstly, we are going to list the words we find now. Okay, which are those words? Yes, the positive thought, talented, goal oriented, hardworking, determination. These are the some of the words we find now. Then I post here some of the words in the screen. Okay, some words are useful to describe the Tarun, but others are not. So you can go through it and select the words which is describing Tarun. Okay, let's look in the screen. I post here some of the words on the screen. You can go through it and find out some useful word to describe Tarun. That means find apt words to describe Tarun from this list. Okay, could you find more words? We know that we got more words. Now we are going to fill up the blanks around the Tarun. So fill up the blank cloud in the page number 14. There is a picture of Tarun and there are some cloud around the Tarun. Firstly, fill up the blanks. We filled the blanks. We got many words. There are still a lot of words left. List the rest of the words in a note. Try to find out more words in yourselves. Okay, we move to next work. We have another question in the same activity. Let's move to it. There is a column here. You can see. Firstly, we are going to read the question. Here are few sentences which say more about Tarun. Read them and fill in the empty spaces given. There is a column for us to fill up the blanks. In the first column, you can see some sentences in there. In the second column, we have to write the feelings or attitudes or response of Tarun on the sentence. Mean the response of Tarun on the dialogue in the first column. In the last column, we have to fill up what quality of Taruns show in there. So let us do it now. Now we are going to fill up the blanks. Just look here. There is another question for us. The below of the column, you can see a question. Add a few more points to describe Tarun's appearance, behavior, outlook, etc. Means we have to find out some of other sentences which tells the appearance, behavior and outlook of the Tarun. So we have to do it. So I post some of the sentences on your screen. Just go through it. Then the last question in the first activity, we have to prepare the care sketch of Tarun. You can see the question. Now using the information given above, write a brief character sketch of Tarun. We got some of the words which best describe Tarun, and we got some of the other sentences, and we find out the attitude and response and feelings of the Tarun and what quality is showing that. Okay, we got many idea about the Tarun. Now we are going to make a care sketch of Tarun. I post a sample care sketch on your screen. Okay. Go through that sample note and make a clear idea about the care sketch of Tarun. Then consider the note as only as an example. Okay, make in yourself a brief care sketch of Tarun. It is very useful for your examinations. In this class, we discussed two activities. Some of the questions from Let's Revisit and Reflect and Activity 1. We find out some of the words which describe Tarun. We got much ideas about Tarun. We made a brief care sketch of Tarun by using the above points. I hope that you could understand today's class. I believe that this class helped you very much. Okay, wish you all the best. Thank you for watching the lesson.